Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the reading for Friday, the 15th of January 2021. And again, today I have laid down three piles to select whichever resonates with you. This one being pile 1 near the drum, pile 2 in the center, and pile 3 here near the other sound piece that is kept here. So whoever chooses pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, resonate with it, and let's see what the cards have to tell you for today. The first one is this beautiful card of the lovers. So whoever has chosen pile 1, know that your lover is coming your way. Know that they are telling you that you need to start loving yourself to attract the love you need. Also, we got this lovers card last week as well, and it is all about the angels showering their love on you, bringing your soul partners together, telling you that you attract the people of your own frequency if you are in love, and then you will have them coming your way. Also, the card of self love. Also, if you have the love of your life in your life, then knowing that the relationship is only getting stronger. This lovers card also talks about strengthening your relationship with your friends, your loved ones, your family. You are always shielded and protected. They are showering their love on you. And this is also talking about new love coming your way, new partner coming your way, anyone and everyone who is probably in a relationship, working towards getting married or strengthening the bond of their relationship. Know that this is definitely a guidance and a blessing for all of you who seek that positivity in their love life. So this is coming for sure. Happy, happy card. Let's see what the angels have to tell you. This is again a very, very happy card of happy changes in the family. Serafina is telling you, she's the angel of the families, and she's saying a happy new change is coming your way. An addition is coming into your family. This means either childbirth, or who are the ones who are thinking of adopting a child, then that child is coming in your life. A pet is coming in your life if that's what you want. So you are either going to become pet parents or parents to your lovely children. And this is also the card of bringing the family together, happiness in the family coming your way. The angels are guiding you. The spirit masters and spirit guides, if you see, are always blessing you. The ancestors are looking down upon you with lots of love and lots of blessings. So beautiful card again from the lovers, the love extending not just to your own self or your partners but your entire family. This is such a beautiful synchronicity, amazing. And let's see what's the third card for this pile 1. And this is all about spiritual understanding. Archangel Raziel is telling, I am bringing you esoteric information and symbols and helping you understand your spiritual truth. Again, the sign of peace, the sign of love, the dove here, Archangel Raziel having the Metatron, as this is called, the symbol, the esoteric symbol of connecting the cords from the heart to your to the universe. This is what connects you with love to the universe. So this is symbols coming your way. Maybe in reality they will show you the signs, or through your dreams messages coming down, download happening, which will help you in your spiritual growth. So keep be in awareness, keep a note of all the downloads that you receive, whether in your sleep, in your dreams, or otherwise. Any signs that trigger you to know that things are being told to you for your spiritual growth, your spiritual understanding. Maybe something you read, something you see, something you hear in a song, just keep a note of all of it, keep a tab of all of it, and know that it's all coming your way. This is such a beautiful synchronicity of cards, one to the other. And let's see what's the pile 2 for us. Whoever has selected pile 2, let's see what that comes up. Wow, the Hermit again. Did we not get the Hermit yesterday? Or one of these days in the week? The Hermit is again asking you. I think Hermit has this synchronicity of coming over the weekend. Today we are already entering the weekend, to tell us to calm down. So whoever's chosen the pile 2, if you've had a hectic week, the Hermit is asking you to calm down, asking you to take a break, get into your own shell, sit by your own self, maybe near the sea, in midst of nature, in the garden, with your loved ones, whatever makes you happy, whatever gives you that synchronicity of collecting yourself, centering yourself, to know how to plan your week ahead, how to plan the life ahead in terms of taking the next step forward. But at the moment, for sure, asking you to calm down. If, as it is, the energies were a little aggravated because of the new moon, people were sensing sleeplessness, restlessness, and so on. So for all of them, this is the guidance: take a break. Center yourself and know that things will happen for your highest good. The guidance will come from within. The guidance will come through signs and symbols. So make a note of it again, as they are asking us to do so. Archangel Uriel is amazingly bringing you healings of your emotions, enabling you to open to greater love. And he's saying he will help you release anger and unforgiveness from your heart and mind. So basically, ask Archangel Uriel to help you control your anger, not control, but rather work on your anger, work on your restlessness, work on your unforgiveness, work towards forgiveness exercise, Ho'oponopono, and know that everything starts from you. Start forgiving your own self, start loving your own self. Love comes as a synchronized message both for pile 1 and pile 2. Self-love, self-introspection, self-healing, self-centering. So beautiful message again coming from Archangel Uriel. And the last one is the guidance from the Angels deck again, and this is the card of victory. Archangel Sandalphon is saying your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith, things are happening. So collect yourself, center yourself, forgive yourself, ask for forgiveness, ask the angels to help you to control all the anger, all the emotions that you're feeling, or rather work upon all the emotions that you're feeling right now, and calm yourself down, because you should know that victory is yours. It is 100% coming your way. So again, a very synchronized message for pile 2, whoever has chosen this pile number 2, the center one. These are the guidance cards for you. Amazingly beautiful synchronicity for both pile 1 and pile 2. Let's see what pile 3 holds. What's the message? The Empress, the energy of feeling content, the energy of being the ruler, the energy of being in luxury, in lavishness, again, self-love, self-contentment, and also spreading the love to others around you. Empress also talks about the maternal energies coming right at the fore. This also, in case of personalities, if you have to say, then this is the personality of the queen, who not only loves her own self and has luxury around her, she's surrounded by abundance and prosperity, but also someone who takes care of her loved ones, who passes this on to the entire kingdom that she rules. So in this case, the entire family, your friends, your circle, your core team, you will pass that maternal energy to the others. You will share the blessings that you are being poured upon. you will share that with your loved ones around you. Beautiful, beautiful card. How amazing is it that everywhere it talks about love? All three piles have love in common, and luxuries and abundance and victory coming your way. Beautiful indeed. And this one is Bridget. Bridget is saying that there is a caution warranted, so look deeper into the situation before proceeding further. So this is something to bring you in awareness. If there is any deal or any kind of paperwork or any project that you are looking at getting into or signing off this week, know that you need to look deeper. They are asking you to be aware, just to read the fine print between whatever it is, the documents that you're ready to sign or submit. Just read them once again. Know that there are no loopholes. Look deeper into the situation, whatever the situation be, whether at home or at workplace. Look at other perspective, not just through your blinkers on. Look deeper before proceeding. They're not saying do not proceed, but they're saying just be a little more in awareness, so that you know if there is anything, any fine print that you have not read. Read that and resolve it if there is any solution or any situation in that proceeding that you are looking into right now. Any kind of stuff, whether at home, at office, at work front, deals, projects, even relationships, probably anyone who's getting into tying a knot. Know that you need to research a little more into the family background of the boy or the girl that you all are choosing. I don't know why I even said this, but this is kind of message that's downpoured. So just a warning of awareness, of being in awareness, of a caution that needs to be looked into. So that's the guidance for y'all. And the last but not the least, it is Archangel Haniel. She is saying, it's talking about the moon cycles. We just had a new moon. The new beginnings is what it had marked just 2 days ago. We are on that cycle of new beginnings. And Archangel Haniel is saying, notice how the moon affects your energy and manifestations, and capitalize upon these cycles. Indeed, that's what we had spoken about in the last couple of days, saying that 12th and the 13th were the new moon cycles, the new moon day, and this cycle is now proceeding towards the full moon. So know that this is the time to capitalize on the energies of the new moon, moving towards the full moon, and manifest galore. Go ahead and create the magic of manifestation. Everything that you will focus upon is all coming your way. So these are the beautiful readings for today. Go ahead and have a super magical and lovely day. I shall see you soonest.